How to pay on Shein app and add payment method on Shein. Hi everybody, welcome back to the video. In this video I will guide you on how you can pay on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to get started on paying on the Shein app, open the Shein app over here and then you can set different options. Now even if I come to the me section over here, you'll be able to see all the details. When you come to the me section, you'll find a section where it says wallet, so just tap on wallet here. Now once you tap on wallet, you can just go ahead and add some payment method over here in this case, or you can simply choose to pay during the checkout process. So when you add products to your Shein, you tap the cart icon from the top right, and then right over here you can see the forms of payment method they accept. So if you just tap the we accept button here, they accept PayPal, credit or debit card, and then bank transfer and coupon codes and so on. Now once you've done that, just tap the checkout button here. Once you tap the checkout option, make sure to simply select your checkout address. And then if you select your checkout address, so let me also go ahead and simply select my checkout address over here. Once I've done that, I'll just go ahead and continue to do this, and then once I've done that, I will be able to successfully pay with either of those payment methods. That's because I have to select them from my payment list. And that's it for today's video on how you can go ahead and successfully pay on the Shein app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.